Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, second test of that trolley, made out of the Lionel 52 fire car. As you see, it works. I've got this lightly epoxied together. So, as you see, it works, no doubt about that. So I've got the shell centered on the wheels. Like I said, I got this lightly epoxied together. I put a really light bead of epoxy on the bottom edge of that shell. But it's holding up to the bumper, no doubt. In any case, it looks better than the fire car did, I think. And of course it works. That's the nice thing about it. It's actually running quite well. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video to document the experiment. So it's far from perfect, but I've run the gang car more as a trolley than I ever did as a gang car. So probably very likely the same thing with the fire car. So I just want to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.